Guys, today we have one Toshiba laptop. Actually, the problem is no display. Okay, I'll just show you. Right now it's on. Let me off the laptop. Okay, fine. Now I just plug my charger. Okay, and here you can see the charger indication. Okay, and this let me on. Right now it's on. Let's see the power on, and still there's no display. No display and no caps lock, nothing. So I think the problem is the chipset, because here you can see one graphics chipset is coming. It's an old model, it's a Core i3. So let me just we are going to record the graphic chip. Okay. First of all, we have to remove the glue from the chipset. Okay. This all glue is there all side, all the corners. So you can see we have to remove the glue first. Okay, we just remove the glue from all sides. Okay, fine. Now we just replace the all section. Okay. The temperature I'm going to put at least a 400 and 400 Celsius. Then we will see. Okay, that's enough. Then we will, after cool the motherboard, then we will check again that display has come or not. Right now I just report the chipset without any paste. I didn't use any paste. So if it's not solved the problem, then we will put some paste also. Okay, we just wait for the hold the motherboard, then we can check it, and we will see the display is coming or not. Okay, we fixed the processor, and we need to put the RAM also. We have the RAM. Okay, we just fix the RAM also, and then we'll just plug the charger, and we need to know the display is come or not. So for that, I'm just going to plug my USB. Here's the USB, and power button should be on the back side. Which one is the power button? I think it's the power button. The strip is power button. So we just plug the charger, and we have to trigger the power button. Here you can see the indication, but actually this laptop is not power on, so we have to trigger the power button. Now trigger the power button and see any light is come or not on this side. Actually it does not come. Yes, it's come. See the display is come. So we're going to pack the laptop, then we will check on the with display. Okay, have to put some heatsink pad. We have the heatsink paste. Just put this one, and okay. Actually the displays come, so problem solved. Then we need to confirm on the display. So we are going to just plug the charger, and right now we'll see the display. Okay, should become the display. Now it's power on. That's on. Yes, here you can see the display is gone. So the problem only the chipset, and we just hold the display chipset, then display is gone. So we just service the motherboard and the panel also, then we will pack it to customer. So I hope guys you got something knowledge about the graphics chipset. It's very simple to rehold. Then most probably the graphics chip is too dry, it won't come with display. So that's why the problem, no display. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. I hope